Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Declutter Stuff, where I break down complex news and events for you. Today we've got an exciting deep dive into the latest earnings of three tech titans, Meta, Apple, and Amazon. It's a tale of triumphs, challenges, and everything in between. If you're ready to get into the nitty-gritty of the digital economy, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more insightful content. Let's start with Meta. The company reported stellar results. The company's stock has soared over 20%, breaking records and adding over $200 billion to its market cap. Stick around as we unpack the key highlights and insights. Earnings highlights. Stellar Q4 performance. Meta reported adjusted EPS of $5.33 on revenue of $40 billion, surpassing analyst expectations of $4.94 on revenue of $39.01 billion. Market cap milestone. The stock's surge puts Meta on track to add more than $200 billion to its market cap, setting a potential stock market record. The current market cap stands north of $1.2 trillion, a remarkable feat from its 2022 lows of $90 per share. Financial metrics. Advertising revenue. Meta's advertising revenue hit $38.7 billion, beating expectations of $37.8 billion. User base. The company reported 211 billion Facebook daily active users, exceeding Wall Street's anticipated 207 billion. Reality Labs division, despite incurring losses of $4.65 billion, up from $4.3 billion in the same period last year, Meta's Reality Labs exceeded revenue expectations at $1.07 billion, compared to the anticipated $812 million. Strategic moves and initiatives. Shareholder returns. Meta announced a boost in its stock buyback authorization by $50 billion and initiated a quarterly dividend of $0.50 per share. Upbeat outlook. The company anticipates Q1 revenue between $34.6 billion and $37 billion, surpassing analysts' expectations. Challenges and investments. Reality Labs versus generative AI. While Reality Labs faces losses, Meta's increased focus on generative AI, announced by Zuckerberg, has caught investor attention. 24 expenses. Meta expects expenses in the range of $94 billion to $99 billion in 2024, citing increased payroll costs amid a push into AI features. Market performance. Market dominance. Meta has outperformed tech giants like Apple, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon over the last 12 months, with a 121% surge in its stock. Conclusion. Meta's latest earnings report showcases an extraordinary performance, breaking records and surpassing market expectations. With a growing user base, strong advertising revenue, and strategic initiatives like stock buybacks and dividends, Meta is demonstrating its resilience and innovation in the ever-evolving tech landscape. What are your thoughts on Meta's meteoric rise? Share them in the comments below. Next up is Apple. Despite beating expectations on earnings and revenue, the stock faced a decline in early trading on Friday. Let's break down the key points and understand the insights behind Apple's performance. Earnings highlights. Earnings per share, EPS, and revenue. Apple reported an EPS of $2.18 on revenue of $119.6 billion for the last quarter, surpassing analyst expectations of $2.11 on revenue of $117.9 billion. China market concerns. Sales in China, Apple's third-largest market, fell short, reaching $20.8 billion compared to the anticipated $23.5 billion. This decline is attributed to a slow Chinese economy and competition from Huawei. iPhone sales. The company recorded $69.7 billion in iPhone sales, exceeding expectations of $68.6 billion. Product performance. Mac and iPad sales. Mac revenue was $7.8 billion, missing expectations, and iPad revenue was $7 billion, below Wall Street's estimate of $7.1 billion. Wearables, home, and accessories. This segment performed well, generating $12 billion, meeting estimates. Challenges and opportunities. Legal battles. Apple faced a patent battle with medical device maker Masimo, impacting sales temporarily. The dispute centered around a blood oxygen sensor component. Services segment. Despite reaching $23.1 billion, it fell short of the expected $23.4 billion. This segment is a crucial revenue stream for Apple. Future prospects. Product launches. Apple plans to introduce refreshed iPads and Macs in March, potentially boosting sales in those segments. Vision Pro AR/VR headset. Apple is set to launch its Vision Pro AR/VR headset on February 2nd for $34.99. While impressive, the high price may limit consumer sales, but CEO Tim Cook highlighted interest from enterprise customers. Conclusion. Despite challenges in the Chinese market and legal battles, Apple's overall performance remains strong, with record-breaking iPhone sales and growth in various segments. Keep an eye on future product launches and market developments as Apple continues to navigate a dynamic landscape. Remember to like this video, subscribe for more financial insights, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things related to the stock market. Finally, the last company we want to talk in today's video is Amazon. The e-commerce giant has not only beaten expectations, but also shared some intriguing insights into its plans. Stick around as we break down the key points. Earnings highlights. Record-breaking Q4. Amazon reported net sales of nearly $170 billion, surpassing expectations of $166.2 billion and marking a 14% increase from the prior year's $150 billion. Stock performance. The market responded positively, with Amazon's stock climbing over 6% in early trading on Friday. Optimistic outlook. The company provided an optimistic outlook for the current quarter, estimating an upper range of $143.5 billion, exceeding forecasts. Financial metrics. Revenue, $169.9 billion versus $166.2 billion expected, compared to $149.2 billion in Q4 2022. Adjusted earnings per share, $100 versus $78 expected, a significant improvement from $03 in Q4 2022. Amazon Web Services generated $24.20 billion, slightly below expectations, but still a substantial increase from $21.4 billion in Q4 2022. Advertising revenue achieved $14.7 billion, surpassing expectations and showing growth from $11.6 billion in Q4 2022. New developments. Introducing Rufus. Amazon unveiled a new AI-powered shopping assistant named Rufus, designed to answer customer questions and recommend products on the Amazon mobile app. AI investments. Executives highlighted the early stages of AI product deployment, with customers showing interest in developing AI tools. Amazon foresees AI development contributing tens of billions of dollars to its cloud business. Increased capital expenditures. Amazon plans to increase capital expenditures in 2024, particularly in expanding its AI operations. Strategic moves. Ads on Prime Video. Amazon started displaying ads on Prime Video, emphasizing the importance of advertising in its business model to continue investing in content. Prime Video's recent move to play ads alongside shows could unlock significant ad growth potential. Conclusion. Amazon's Q4 earnings showcase its resilience and growth in the competitive tech. With record-breaking sales, optimistic forecasts, and strategic investments in AI and advertising, Amazon is positioning itself for continued success. What are your thoughts on Amazon's earnings? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more updates, and hit the notification bell to stay informed. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.